Parenthood. The things we do.
I know.
Seriously? Come on now.
What's that for?
That is to open the ring.
You don't have an allergy to latex, do you?
No.
No.
They already do paperwork, so.
Yes.
Get 2 hours of it.
Yeah, I was in pro school.
Stop it!
You didn't take your drink after you washed your mouth out, correct?
No, get off my freaking
Yeah. Yeah.
What side do you want it on? So you want it on the right side?
Yeah.
Yeah, right side.
Remember the thing where you stop talking sometimes and it just stops conflict?
What's that?
Alright, done.
What's this?
Just,
It doesn't work that way.
this is a lip piercing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Amy, do you want it closer to the middle? Do you want it farther up?
What do you mean?
Get one side of those on me. Because I wanted it there. Get up. Look at it. Tell me if you want it in a different spot.
I don't know.
Come here, dork.
Okay. My face was sticky. Okay.
You know what?
Girls pick
Probably get the best when we split the out.
Does that look good with this fish?
It's a dot.
With a dot.
Say, oh. Flying away. Oh.
Pinky cheeks! You hand me a stick.
We got two now.
Uncle.
Okay. Check it out.
I can hear you too.
Yes. That's more better.
Marker controller. A bitch.
You know what? Next weekend, let's say I'm borrowing somebody and I'm gonna write jokes. Oh, look at the face.
Alright.
I'm scared.
This.
I'm scared. Stop.
Monique's the only place to get over
Yeah,
this.
well, what if I poop?
And you're gonna have to wear pants.
I'm scared. Oh gosh.
Any last words?
I'm scared. Oh, I feel so weird. I feel like a noodle.
Y'all can stop arguing like old ladies.
Let me hold my hand.
See, what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick them on there and lock them down so they don't move.
Okay.
That would crunch your lip.
Okay.
It'll make it pop like a pimple.
You're not gonna let go?
No. You shouldn't go through it. No, you really shouldn't.
Oh, this is the perfect song for this.
What is it?
Hey, you with that one.
Time to make sure.
I feel like I'm about to pee myself.
Don't do that. You'll have wet pants while you're getting stabbed in the face.
Love you, sissy. Wait, I hope it's. Oh. Can you send that to me?
And it'll have room for swelling.
Okay.
Yay, swelling.
What's up?
Oh my god.
Got
Boys,
rubber
no,
bands?
please.
What?
Got
Yeah,
rubber
that's
bands?
still rubber bands.
Where'd you steal them from?
Oh, they were in Josh's. I'm gonna put them in that thing.
staging.
I'm terrified.
Should be.
I'm so scared.
Are you scared of fire?
I'm scared of fire.
Scared of fire, okay.
She's afraid she's gonna see blood.
Yeah, if I see blood, I'll probably pass out. I
Yeah,
love
you won't.
Well, actually, I think it might be
I don't know.
You won't let you. Ha 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 ha.
I busted my foot.
I'll slap you.
I thought I was Superman.
Will you take me to the store and get ice?
My ankle got stuck
Please?
in here, my other knee hit me.
Should we go on the popsicle?
And at first I was
Oh.
laughing. What?
Stop staring at me like
Can't have
that.
any of this.
Like, let me see from my point of view. This is what you look like. You're just like, hey.
So I twisted it around like that and then fell up like that.
Yeah.
So you can't have any.
I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. You get all twitchy on us.
Right?
There.
You want me to hold your other hand?
Are you ready? Let me get my hand steady first. Alright. Look for real. Go for real. Alright, ready? This is going to hurt.
So,
Oh, Novocaine?
It numbed you get up.
You know Novocaine?
Ow.
Uh-huh.
I felt this very much.
your
Yeah,
hands
for
are.
the first like minute or two.
Are you gonna scream?
Alright, ready? Take a deep breath in. Take a deep breath in. And slowly exhale.
Did it hurt?
What's that?
Yep.
How
Let
bad?
a piece of metal shove through your face. That's the rough part.
You want me to hold the phone? Just keep breathing.
No. You're not bleeding.
What's up with
You're not bleeding at all, Kaylin.
you? Are you lying to me?
No.
Yeah, you are. I'm bleeding.
No.
Alright.
You're not lying at all. You just have like the little gel thingy next to you. I think that's why they're wiping it off.
Ow.
So how bad did it hurt?
I don't know.
Did you even feel it?
Alright.
I'm bleeding.
No.
Oh no, you guys lied to me.
You alright?
You're not bleeding at all.
That's fine.
I
Oh.
saw it.
That's Kool-Aid.
There's no crying in baseball.
This isn't baseball.
There's an autoplay that you're having.
You don't look like you're happy at all.
I
about that.
my lip hurts.
That's because you just got it.
So I can feel it throbbing.
Alright. Gotta hold still.
Do you want to do a blend of all three colors in each letter? So pink, purple, and blue, right? Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll make it look better.
It's alright.
Okay.
Oh, hey,
I lost my grip on the ball. It's because it's in there. It didn't feel right.
Did you get it on the first strike?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
I'm good at this game.
Oh yeah. He's had lots of practice.
You're not bleeding at all, Kaylin.
It's out there.
It's okay, you got it. You want to see the chunk of lip still in there?
What?
Chunk of lip meat?
Ew.
A chunk of lip meat?
I can't feel my chin.
It's okay. You just had a piece of metal shoved in your face. The things are gonna feel weird for a while.